How to create Yahoo Mail account. Start by opening your browser and go into mail.yahoo.com, then click on the sign up button. You'll be asked to enter your first and last name, a new Yahoo email address, and a strong password that you can easily remember. Next, type in your mobile phone number, select your birth month, day and year, and choose your gender if you'd like to include it. After filling in the details, click Continue and Yahoo will send a verification code to the phone number you provided. Enter the code into the box on the screen and click Verify to confirm your number. Once it's verified, your Yahoo Mail account will be created right away and you'll be taken to your inbox. From here, you can customize your account settings, add a profile picture, and start sending or receiving emails. Setting up a Yahoo account only takes a few minutes, and once it's done, you'll have a reliable email address you can use for both personal and professional needs. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.